Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this bamboo lap desk. It's listed on Amazon for around $30 to $40 depending on the size. It's available in different sizes and the listing says adjustable height, laptop, bed, tray, table for writing, reading, eating, portable laptop, table, fits most computers, 3 sizes. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people want to go back to nature, but everything with plastic, metal and glass. But here's the chance to buy something which is suitable for modern stuff, like for a laptop, and it is made of natural stuff like bamboo, real nature. So that's your opportunity to show that you really want to go back to nature and support the environment. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. So we have it here outside from the back and we can really smell the nice wood. So I would say 99% of everything is really made of wood. We have just a couple of screws and the holder, and that's about it, but really most of it is natural wood, and we can definitely feel and smell the thing. It's really comfortable, you can see, and also sturdy. I've already been trying around a little bit and everything is really solid. You can see it needs quite some power to move it around, not too much, but it's solid. It's not just flipping over or so. What's also very important that we have enough distance here between these legs, because especially when you want to use this as a bed tray, like for breakfast, or you have to work in your bed, or for whatever reason you want to use that in your bed, it has to have quite some distance to be safe. I've seen so many of these trays which have a short distance, or they have even like a bow, something like that, which is very unsafe. So this is much more safe here. This is what you want to see, and you can extend the legs here. You can just unscrew this a little bit and then you can adjust the height. Very convenient. And so let's turn it around a little bit and show you how this works. Here it's also nicely secured. You can see we can release this easily, and then we can adjust the height in 4 different levels. So this is maximum height, and then we get even a little bit lower and really low. So you have enough possibilities to adjust the angle. Then on the right side we have this drawer, and we have this thing which we can use to secure everything when you want to put the laptop on top, so it's not sliding down. So I opened the view a little bit so you can see that you have really a lot of space here for the mouse, for your drinks, for everything. And so here as a sample I wanted to show you my 14-inch laptop, which fits perfectly. So definitely would easily fit 15-inch, or if you're allowed to overlap a little bit, then even larger laptops. And I would say it's definitely solid, everything works. Of course here on top of the dresser it's a little bit slippery, but the overall stand itself is very solid, very robust, exactly how you need that. And on top you have even the possibility to add a tablet, like easily 10-inch tablet here. Of course usually you won't have it on your dresser, but if you really need that, you can easily apply some non-skid feet here. So overall I would say it's definitely a good thing. It's a solid thing, very natural, very beautiful, and it's even much more convenient than many of these plastic items. Of course it's not something which you want to carry around in your backpack, but if you want to buy something like for at home or so, this could be perfect for you. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.